We have an update now to a Wave troubleshooter investigation where a man sat in jail for months for a crime he says he didn't commit. It's hard to imagine being arrested in front of your kids on Christmas Eve, then sitting there confused, upset, alone in a cell. Michael Anderson shares his story with me, hoping it doesn't happen to someone else.
January 15th, 2023. A domestic violence incident in Louisville's Smoketown neighborhood escalates. Watch, a man shoots at a woman out of the window of this car before speeding off.
And he just shot at me too, so that's what the shot was.
Police show up, body cams rolling, capturing their conversation with the victim.
I was literally going in the house when he shot, so he could have shot me, but he shot at me, because he shot at the house.
She tells police she knows exactly who did it too. His name, Michael Anderson.
Do you know any other information except that his name is Michael Anderson?
Police issue a warrant for Anderson's arrest, and that's when this case takes a turn. Here to explain and assist in our investigation, attorney Sarah Collins.
It was referred to LMPD's domestic violence unit, where Detective Larry Farmer was assigned the case, and he went on CourtNet and picked Michael Anderson, a black man, out of CourtNet. Unfortunately, he picked the wrong Michael Anderson.
The one he picked,
Michael Anderson.
This Michael Anderson. He'd been arrested for panhandling, was taken to jail in front of his children on Christmas Eve, and also charged with that domestic violence shooting.
It says that you fired one shot in the direction of the victim.
He tries to explain, this isn't me. I've never heard of this woman.
I'm literally not the person.
The courtroom confused.
He believes that someone is using social media.
What? What do you mean? Who? Like, does that relate to this case? Yes. Like, you're saying this wasn't you?
And off to jail he'd go.
What I explained didn't mean anything.
Away from his 8 kids.
That feels like kidnapping to me.
For 5 months.
There is no speaking once you get behind the wall, so there is no walk to the judge and say, I'm not the guy, can I go home?
Anderson appears in court time and time again.
Scared, confused, angry.
Finally this spring, his public defender points out the obvious.
I think very much my Mr. Anderson is not the Mr. Anderson that this occurred with. He has also said he does not know her.
The man on this surveillance video firing a gun clearly is not the man sitting in jail.
The man who's on that ShotSpotter video has much lighter skin tone than my client.
The assistant Commonwealth's attorney, the public defender, and the judge all agree, the judge adding her surprise that Detective Larry Farmer accused the wrong man.
You know, this is embarrassing. I don't feel as though I had any way to know. Not objective.
You wouldn't know. Larry Farmer should have.
My hope is that LMPD takes accountability, that this detective takes accountability.
Collins is now handling Anderson's case. These charges have been dismissed. He's out of jail, but the damage is done. Now the two are fighting for accountability from police.
And take steps to correct that. We don't really see that from LMPD. And it has to happen, or we're going to continuously have problems with this department.
Anderson, happy to be back with his children, making memories like these, but forever changed from this experience.
I am nervous about it happening again, because if they don't fix the procedures.
I took our investigation into this case to LMPD, wondering how did this mistake happen? The department tells me a professional standards unit case was opened on August 12th. LMPD says the department can't make any other public statements at this time, but they did add there is an internal investigation and that is ongoing. Additionally, the Civilian Review and Accountability Board met to discuss complaints related to Anderson's case today. We're still waiting to hear the outcome of that meeting.